Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will talk about NFL Sunday Ticket versus NFL Plus and which one you should get. Let's go. You guys should know that NFL Plus and NFL Sunday Ticket are very different viewing options for football fans. Both streaming services come with live games, but NFL Plus carries live in-market games, while NFL Plus Sunday Ticket has live out-of-market games. The main reason to get NFL Sunday Ticket is to watch CBS and the Fox Sunday afternoon matchups that don't air in your broadcast region. But unlike NFL Plus, NFL Sunday Ticket isn't limited to live mobile viewing. You can watch NFL Sunday Ticket on any device that offers the YouTube or YouTube TV app. NFL Sunday Ticket is available exclusively through YouTube TV and YouTube Primetime channels as an add-on, so depending on how you sign up, it will cost somewhere around $349 and $489 per season, and you will also pay YouTube TV's monthly subscription. So yes, even though it's a really big price, there is a choice here. Would you just pay like the price of $7 to $15 a month for NFL Plus live in-market games, or would you just pay the $400 something price for the season tickets? That is generally the consensus between these two, and of course your choices and your dependencies will change everything. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to give us a like and maybe subscribe to our channel. In any other case, we hope to see you in the next video as well. Have a great day and goodbye.